guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a KonMari folding video. So I'm going to show you how to fold a variety of your clothes using the KonMari method. And I know that this method has been out there and a lot of people have been using it for a while now, but just in case you haven't heard of it, it is just a space-saving method where you can see all of your clothes at once, and you will kind of see what I'm talking about whenever I demonstrate it for you. But if you're new here, my name is Larissa, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means so much to me that you decided to check my channel out and watch my video today. Normally I post cleaning videos every Tuesday, but starting this week I'm trying to post twice a week. So my videos will be going up on Tuesdays and Fridays, and we will see how that goes, and if I can continue doing that, then I definitely will. I love to create content like this here on YouTube. So I have tons of cleaning motivation on my channel, so be sure to check out some of my other videos if you are interested. And before I ramble too much longer, let's go ahead and get started with the demonstration where I show you how to fold your clothes using the KonMari method. So here I'm just showing you the dresser that I keep most of my clothes in. Matt has that taller dresser to the right, and then I use this one. We also split the closet about 50-50. So here I'm showing you a couple of my t-shirt drawers, and I have a ton of t-shirts. I have short sleeve ones and long sleeve ones, but as you can see, they are both folded using the KonMari method. And then here I'm showing you my legging drawer and how easily it is to look through the leggings that I have. And then down here below that drawer, I have my jean drawer where I have jeans and also a couple pairs of shorts. We're gonna start easy. The first item of clothing that I'm gonna show you how to fold is a t-shirt. So as you can see, I just flipped it over. So you want the back to be up, and then you want to make sure that it is as flat as possible. And then you want to grab the side of it and kind of fold it halfway in, as I'm doing here, and then folding the sleeve down. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and again, fold the sleeve down. So then you should have this long piece, and then you're going to fold both ends to meet in the middle, and then you will fold them over, and so you end up with this square almost. And so that is what the t-shirt looks like when it's all folded up. So here I'm just giving you another demonstration. So again, flip the t-shirt over so that the back is up, and then you want to grab one side of the t-shirt and kind of fold it in, and then you will fold the sleeve down. And I'm doing it a little bit slower here so that you can see better. So fold the sleeve down and then do the exact same thing to the other side. And basically the point of this is you want both edges to be straight. You don't want anything sticking out, so that everything fits nicely in your drawer and you can see everything. So then once that's done, you will fold both pieces top and bottom in to meet in the middle, and then fold it in half again. Next up is a long sleeve t-shirt, and it is pretty much the same as a short sleeve t-shirt. So you're going to fold it over so that the back is facing up, just like you did with the short sleeve one, and then make sure it's pretty much laid out flat, and then just grab one edge and fold it halfway in, and then you're going to take the entire long sleeve and fold it all the way down like how you did with the short sleeve, except this is long sleeve, so it's obviously going to go to the bottom. And then once that's done, you need to fold both pieces in, and look, I'm correcting that edge that was sticking out, so if you need to do that, you can just fold it in, and then fold the top and the bottom in to meet in the middle and fold it in half, and there is your long sleeve t-shirt. Now we're moving on to a pair of jeans. So with this, you're just basically going to fold one leg on top of the other, and then fold the jeans in half, and then you will kind of fold them into thirds, and then you will see how it looks. Now on this particular pair of jeans, part of the edge was sticking out there, as you can see, so I will show you how to fix that on the next pair. But if this doesn't bother you, then you can fold them like this. I pretty much do it like this just because it's easier and it's quicker. So now I'm going to show you how to do it to get rid of that edge that was sticking out. So fold it in half, and then fold that little edge on top of the jeans, and it just makes everything look a little bit smoother. So if you want to take the time to do that, then go for it. It definitely does help visually, and I feel that they do fit a little bit better in the drawer if you do it this way. Now for shorts, this is super easy. So you're just gonna fold one pant leg on top of the other and then fold that edge over. And with shorts, you really wanna make sure you do this and then fold them in half. So it is as easy as that. Shorts are super duper easy, and I love how everything looks when it's all in the drawer together. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. And thank you guys again so much for supporting me and showing me so much love here lately. I love talking to you guys in the comments, so be sure to let me know that you have watched this video and what you thought of it in the comments down below, and I will definitely reply to all of those comments. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.